Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily put on batteries inside the remote of your Hutt DDC5. So first let's start off by taking the cover off of the remote just like that. Now basically all you have to do is just slide it. Now here I have two batteries ready. So what we have to do is match the plus and a minus. So where the spring is, there goes our minus. Now the plus needs to be here, and now it goes the other way. And now put on a cover and your TV remote is ready to go. So that be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.